Welcome, from is a Realme X50 Pro, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is simply pull down the notification panel, go to the, it looks like second page where the toggle is, and simply tap on it. As you can see, it automatically drops the brightness of the display, and you can see also that the power saving mode is on based on this color of the battery. It turns yellow. And in this mode, there's a couple additional things happening, like the CPU limit is limited, I believe, to like 70%, and notifications, basically anything that requires either mobile data or Wi-Fi will be delivered in bulk every time you actually interact with the device, which is when the phone will actually connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if it's locked and you're not getting any notifications, that is because of the power saving mode. So that is how you enable it, and to disable it, simply tap on it once more and everything goes back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.